Hi Townies! I am Earl.
I am Chris.
And welcome to Townie Explores featuring My Town Auckland. So ano nga bang meron dito sa My Town Auckland?
I actually don't know yan eh. Wanna come?
Sure! Look! Merong convenience store!
And also, we have ATM machine.
Hi kuya! Ayan! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa private unit kung saan ang una nyo mapapansin ay ang ating cabinet. Actually, private unit is good for 2 packs talaga siya. And now we have a microwave and a mini refrigerator. This room is also fully air-conditioned and we have queen-size bed that is also good for 2 and a long table. Dito naman, we have our private bathroom. Ayan, so na-explore na natin ang private unit. Yep. Shall we go to the 2-bed sharing unit sa taas? Tara! And now, nandito ngayon tayo sa 2-bed sharing unit. Yes. So as you can see, we also have a microwave, a refrigerator, and a cabinet. Also fully air-conditioned, bunk bed, and a long study table. Finally, we have our private bathroom. Anong i-visit natin next? Let's go to the 4-bed sharing unit. Tara! Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa 4-bed sharing unit. We also have a cabinet, microwave, and a mini fridge.
And of course, meron din tayong AC, a fully furnished bunk beds, nakasya sa pang-4 na tao, and we have a private bathroom here.
Ayan, let us now go to visit the amenities.
Let's go.
Now we also have our common area which can be used for studying, eating, and hanging out with your co-townies. Kaya tara, let's go! And now, puntahan naman natin yung katapat niya na gym kung saan lahat ng co-townies natin is pwedeng gumamit dito. Let's go! We're now here at the scenic roof deck where we can view the skyline of BGC and Makati!
Also, you can hang out here with your friends, unwind, and play ng mga co-townies ninyo.
And that's it for today's episode of Townie Explores.
See you guys next time!
Bye!
Bye!